Hello, Pottinger's class. Whoa, that wasn't very exciting. Hello, Pottinger's class. All right, 5.5, number lines with fractions and decimals. I can use number lines to plot points. Here we go. Ticks. Give me another name for a tick mark. Intervals. Say that again. Intervals. If I ask you to plot something, that means you are going to do what? To place or mark, right? To put something on a graph or on a number line. All right, quick review on conversions. I'll ask the question, you answer it. How do you go from a fraction to a decimal? I'm going to try that again. How do you go from a fraction to a decimal? I need everybody involved here. How do you go from a decimal to a fraction? How do you go from a percent to a decimal? Which is the same as bunny hops in which direction? Left, right? How many places? 2. Because there's 2 zeros in 100, right? How do you go from a decimal to a percent? Which means bunny hops to the... How many places? 2. Okay. I'm losing some of you. We need everyone involved here again. Percent to fraction. How do you go from a percent to a fraction? 3% per 100. So per 100, what's per mean? Okay. And fraction to percent, what's the process? Divide and multiply by 100. All right, so here's the deal. When given a number line such as this number line right here, I ask you to plot these points. Point 4, pretty simple, yes? Yes. Because point 4 is on the number line. It's between point 3 and point 5, yes? Is 100 over 200 like written on that number line? No, it's not written in the number line because the number line is in what form, you guys? So we need to convert that fraction to a... Say that again? And we know how to convert fractions to decimals. We just divide, yes? So 100 over 200 is actually the same as 5/10, yes? How about 80%? Can we convert 80% to a decimal? So the moral of the story here is if you have a number line in decimal form, you need to turn all of your numbers into decimals, yes? Okay. This guy right here, I asked you to put them in order from the smallest to the biggest. They're all in different forms, yes? We put them all in fraction form. So we took 3/5, 7/10, 26%, and 4/12, and we put it in fraction form. Is that helpful? Why is that hard to put in order in fraction form? Why would that be hard to put in order in fraction form? Everybody, what's the problem? They don't have a common denominator. We need common denominators, yes? Can't compare fractions unless you have common denominators. So then we decided to put it in decimal form. Does that make it a little bit easier? We converted all of these numbers right here down to decimals, yes? Stack them and put them in order. Does that make things a little bit easier? You could also do percents, a little bit more of a process, but I think percents are pretty cool too. Fractions are really hard because you don't have common denominators. Last one we did, Last one we did is we took these numbers right here and we put them on this number line. Again, this number line is in what form? So it would make most sense to convert all of these to decimals, which you know how to do, yes? We good?